Hello and welcome to my new channel. I've been soap making for a little under a year now, and this was one of my first projects from last summer. Hope you enjoy. Today I'm making a lemongrass shea butter bar, fragranced and infused with the homemade lemongrass oil and dried lemongrass. French green clay powder for the light green color. 4 ounces of my lemongrass infused olive oil, which is included in the 32-ounce oil weight. Can't forget the dried lemongrass as a topping to help our soap look pretty. Soaping can be dangerous when not done properly. To make sure you are always soaping safely, the Brambleberry Lye Safety Guide link is included in the description. I always use soapcalc.net to ensure all recipes are formulated properly. Link to website is also included in the description. Let's get soaping. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. If you like what I'm doing and you want to see more, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next video, bye soapers. Today I'm making a lemongrass shea butter.